Okay, hello guys. So this is me, it's Angel. So welcome to my channel. I just only wants to review this product. I just got this at highly discounted price, exchange for my own opinion. This is a solar LED rope light, 7 meter. But when the time that my husband checked this one, this is not kind of 7 meter. It's like kind of, what did it say? I just forgot what did it say, but what is that? It's not like 7 meter. He said. I really just forgot what he said, but he just tried this one last night, and he tried to show it to me how, but last night is because it's still not charged a lot, so I cannot see any brightness of this. But for now, we're gonna try this. I put it again the string so that way we can put, and he gonna be ready to put this on our balcony. So I will check it, and I will give you the other kind. I will update, or I will upload any kind of pictures about this one when the time that we already hang it. This one, if you can see, they have a on, flash, off. So if you can see, so this is it. Right? If you can see at the first time, it's really not too bright. But it looks like they said that it's gonna be bright when, what is that? It's gonna be bright when you already charge it, something like that. Okay? And you don't need to plug it in. Okay? And also, I love the most of this is because it's really so soft. If you can see, it's like a flexible. It's so soft. And the color too is like a perfect light white. So I'm really love to put this to the balcony or to the patio or on the upstairs, and it's really fantastic to me. They look so pretty. I think in the, what's that, on the top, that is it. And then also you can put the other option like flash. If you can see, it's still working, right? So I really like that. So if you can see how long it takes, but I don't know. I really don't know. It's because this is my first time to see, but it's really, I didn't say that this is my first time to see. I already saw this one, but this is the first time that I see that it's not totally bright. But my husband told me that maybe it's gonna be bright a lot, or it's gonna be bright, okay, if you charge more. And then also what is this, and that is it. I think it's a great product, nice. For me, it's not totally bright, but maybe it's gonna be bright later when we already use it a lot of time, right? That is it, and that's it, guys. So I'm gonna take a pictures. And also they have like this kind of hook. I really don't know this one, but I saw last night my husband put this one here, something like that. And I don't really want to do it on my own, it's because I don't want to mess it up. And then they have an adjustment here, so you can make it stand. But he locked this one, and then you can put this one, and then you can put wherever you want to put. So that way, it's working, okay? So that is it. And also, what I'm gonna say is because me and my husband have a little argue about this last night, is because of the length. I really don't know if the length is really on the right. What's that? I really don't know if the length is in the I really don't know if who is right or wrong. But my husband told me that it's not 23. And I keep on saying that it's a 23, but he keep on saying no, it's not a 23 feet. It's like 16.5 only. So we just started to try to figure it out and get the measure tape. And then we already see that it's already was that 16.5, sorry. So that is it. And also I have this before, but it has a different color, like color, what is that? I think blue, right? And yellow and orange, something like that. But this one is really cool. And it's really, and these rope are brightest and best looking maybe to the eye of my husband, but for me it's not totally bright. Okay, my husband told me that they are bright and they are quietly powerful. Okay, and then the only thing that I want is it's really soft here. It's really soft, and then that's it. It's really nice. I don't know if this is not gonna be work when it's rain. I really don't know. It's because in my place it's not raining yet, so I really don't know. But tonight we trying to put this one on the top, and then again take a kind of pictures so that way you can see. So in this case, they said like they have a 50 LED lights in, okay, and they said here that it's 23, but my husband told me it's a 16.5. So that's it, and it's a power cable is 6.5 long. And then this one, they have the box with an on and off switch, and two different light. They have a straight, they have the straight like that, and then they have steady, and then they have a flashing. Okay, that is it. And then I think it's so easy to install. My husband told me it's so easy to install. So that's why he gonna do it at night. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.